When I'm out riding, just that feeling when you're out in nature is a big part of why I do it. It's not about doing it for anybody. You're out there doing it for you. And there's a moment in racing, it's usually towards the end of the race, that's where the good feeling and emotion is. It's so pure, you're not thinking that much anymore. It's instinctive. And when you're on a good day, it's like the feeling of winning is the best. That's why I do it. Nothing is better than that. Cyclocross is an hour race, so the bikes really take a beating. Keeping them moving well and keeping them maintained is a huge part of the sport, and it's important to have it perfect. And so for me, having WD-40 around is just a way to prevent all the noise and keep things dialed so your bike's always going to be running well. Living life hands-on for me is doing it yourself. I've always loved working with my hands, and when you're racing, I mean, it's super physical. This is a game of small percentages. Someone's 1%, 2% better on the day. That's what it takes to win. And so my bike needs to be dialed. And when I know that I built it right and used the right products, I know it's going to be faster. My name is Tobin, and I live life hands-on.